Have you ever been in a room full of people and still felt completely alone? You have family, friends, colleagues. Your phone is full of contacts. Your calendar is full of appointments. And yet, somewhere inside, there is an emptiness you cannot quite explain. Why? Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Let's talk about loneliness today. Because loneliness is not always about having nobody around you. Sometimes it is about feeling that nobody truly sees you. I think many of us experience this at different stages of life. As we grow older, relationships change. Children build their own lives. Friendships evolve. Careers change. People we once spoke to every day become people we speak to occasionally. And sometimes, without even realizing it, our world becomes quieter. I've had moments in my own life when I have been surrounded by activity and people, and yet have felt emotionally alone. And those moments taught me something. Connection is not about how many people you know, it's about how deeply you can be yourself with the people you know. So, if you're feeling lonely, I want to suggest three things. First, don't wait for connections, create it. Call someone, invite someone for coffee, join something that genuinely interests you. Sometimes we wait for people to reach out without realizing that perhaps they are waiting too. Number two, build relationships where you can be authentic. One person with whom you can have an honest conversation may be more valuable than 100 superficial connections. And three, learn to build a relationship with yourself. Spend time alone without treating solitude as punishment. Read, walk, create, meditate, travel. Discover what makes you feel alive, even when nobody else is in the room. Because being alone and being lonely are not the same thing. And here's something else I want you to remember. If you're feeling lonely today, please don't assume that nobody cares. Sometimes people simply don't know that we need them. Tell someone, reach out. And if the loneliness feels persistent or overwhelming, please speak to someone you trust or seek professional support. Asking for help is also a form of connection. We all need people, but perhaps the most beautiful relationships begin when we stop counting how many people surround us and start noticing who truly makes us feel seen. I hope this video resonated with you. Share it with someone who you care for. And yes, I love you and I believe in you. Till next time, keep smiling.